નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર ગજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ રેશિયો એનાલિસિસ એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 18. Find out the following ratio from the balance sheet of Aarti Limited as on 31st March 21 and additional details given to you. Stock turnover ratio, ownership ratio. Ownership ratio means proprietary ratio. Current ratio, liquid ratio, rate of return on capital employed, rate of return on equity share capital, net profit ratio and creditors ratio. Balance sheet of Aarti Limited on 31st March 21. First of all, equity share capital 4 lakh, reserve and surplus, general reserve 2 lakh and profit and loss account 1,70,000. Both are reserve. Non-current liability 8% debenture 2,50,000 and provident fund 30,000. Current liability, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft and outstanding expenses. Fourth are current liability. Then fixed assets, land, building and machineries. Debenture discount is the fictitious assets. Then current assets, temporary investment, stock, debtors, bills receivable, cash bank balance, prepaid expenses and advanced income tax paid. At least current assets. Additional information. Number 1, cash sale is 20% of total sale. Total sale na 20% cash sale है. Stock on 1/4/20 is 1,25,000. Opening stock 1,25,000. Third, debtors ratio is 90 days. Consider 360 days for the year. तो અહીંથી એક્ઝામ્પલ શરૂ થાય. ડેપ્ટર્સ રેશિયો ઉપરથી ક્રેડિટ સેલ મળે, એના ઉપરથી કેશ સેલ મળે, એના ઉપરથી ટોટલ સેલ મળે. એમાંથી ગ્રોસ પ્રોફિટ માઈનસ કરો. જો 4 નંબરમાં આપ્યો છે ગ્રોસ પ્રોફિટ ઇઝ 40% ઓફ સેલ, એટલે કોસ્ટ ઓફ ગુડ્સ સોલ્ડ મળે. 5, net profit before interest and tax is rupees 2,50,000. Before income interest and tax, PBIT. And rate of taxation is 50%. First of all, stock turnover ratio, cost of goods sold upon average stock. Average stock આપણે find કરી શકીએ. Average stock is equal to opening stock plus closing stock upon 2. Opening stock 1,25,000. Closing stock is in balance sheet 1,75,000. 125 plus 175 upon 2 is equal to 1,50,000. હવે ડેપ્ટર્સ રેશિયો મૂકીએ. ડેપ્ટર્સ રેશિયો એટલે એના ઉપરથી તમને ક્રેડિટ સેલ મળે. ડેપ્ટર્સ રેશિયો 90 days is equal to debtors 2 lakh, bills receivable 50,000 upon credit sale suppose x into 360. x અને 90 નું પદ ફેરવો તો 2,50,000 divided by 90 into 360, credit sale is 10 lakh. હવે અહીંયા ક્રેડિટ સેલ 10 lakh, એમાં પ્લસ કરીએ કેશ સેલ. કેશ સેલ માટે તમને કીધું છે નંબર 1, cash sale is 20% of total sale અને આ છે આપણી પાસે credit sale. suppose total sale is 100 minus 20 cash, 80 is the credit sale. આ 80 લેખે છે એટલે સ્ટેપ મુકાય કે 80 ત્યારે 20 credit તો 10 લેખે કેટલા, and the amount is 2,50,000. 12,50,000 is the total sale. Minus gross profit 40%, 5 lakh. 7,50,000 is the cost of goods sold. તો અહીંયા cost of goods sold લખાશે 7,50,000 divided by average stock 1,50,000 is equal to 750 upon 150 is equal to 5 times. Now ownership ratio. Owners fund upon total real assets. Owners fund is equal to capital plus reserve minus fictitious assets. Capital equity share only. ये प्रेफरेंस शेयर નથી આપી હોય તો બંને લેવાની 4 lakh plus reserve general and profit and loss account 3,70,000 minus fictitious assets debenture discount 5,000 is equal to 7,65,000. Then total real assets is equal to total assets minus fictitious assets. Total assets means total of the balance sheet 12,50,000 minus fictitious assets 5,000 is equal to 12,45,000. Owners fund 7,65,000 upon total real assets 12,45,000 is equal to into 100 61.45%. 61.45%. Current ratio. Current assets upon current liabilities. Current assets 8,65,000 upon current liabilities 2 lakh is equal to 4.33:1. Liquid ratio. Liquid assets upon liquid liabilities. Liquid assets 6,90,000 without stock current assets upon liquid, not liquid liability, current liabilities. This is my mistake. Current liabilities. Current liabilities also 2 lakh is equal to 3.45:1. Return on capital employed is equal to profit before interest and tax upon capital employed. Profit before interest and tax તમને આપવામાં આવ્યો છે 2,50,000 upon capital employed. Owners fund plus long term liability. આપણી પાસે owners fund છે 7,65,000 plus long term liability 8% debenture 2,50,000 10,15,000 upon 10,15,000 into 100 is equal to 24.63%. Return on equity share capital is equal to net profit minus preference dividend upon equity share capital. तो net profit find करिए. Profit before interest and tax 2,50,000 minus first of all interest 2,50,000 8% is equal to 20,000. 2,30,000 is the profit before tax PBT minus tax 50%. 1,15,000 net profit 1,15,000 net profit 1,15,000 minus preference dividend નથી equity share capital 4 lakh into 100 and the answer is 28.75%. Number 7, net profit ratio is equal to net profit upon sales into 100. Net profit 1,15,000 upon sales. Sales આપણે total find કર્યો છે 12,50,000 into 100. The answer is 9.2%. Then creditors ratio, creditors plus bills payable upon credit purchase into 360. क्रेडिट परचेज फाइंड करिए तो कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड ની ફોર્મ્યુલા મૂકી ઓપનિંગ સ્ટોક પ્લસ પરચેઝ માઈનસ ક્લોઝિંગ સ્ટોક એટલે પરચેઝ મળી જાય આપણી પાસે કોસ્ટ ઓફ ગુડ્સ સોલ્ડ છે 7,50,000 is equal to opening stock is 1,25,000 plus purchase x minus closing stock 1,75,000 7,50,000 125 આ બાજુ એટલે માઈનસ 175 minus આ બાજુ આવે એટલે plus 175,000 is equal to x. X is equal to 8 lakh. Creditors. One lakh plus bills payable 50,000 upon credit purchase 8 lakh into 360 is equal to 67.5 days. Thank you very much, friends.